Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Planet Coaster 2 on your Mac. While Apple computers do not natively support this popular theme park simulation, there are effective workarounds. We will explore three main approaches: installing Windows directly using Boot Camp, running Windows virtually with specialized software, and streaming the game through cloud gaming services. Each method offers a unique experience, and we will help you decide which one is best for your setup. First, let's talk about Boot Camp. This built-in Apple utility allows you to install a complete Windows operating system directly onto your Mac's hard drive. When you restart your computer, you can choose to boot into either Mac OS or Windows. This approach typically provides the best possible gaming performance, as Windows runs natively. You will need at least 100 gigabytes of available storage space for the Windows installation and the game itself. Next, consider using virtualization software. Programs like Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion allow you to run a Windows operating system as a virtual machine directly within Mac OS. This means you do not need to restart your computer to switch between operating systems. While convenient, the gaming performance might be slightly less optimized compared to Boot Camp, as resources are shared. Ensure your Mac has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for a smooth experience. Finally, cloud gaming offers a different approach. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce Now or Boosteroid allow you to stream Planet Coaster 2 directly to your Mac from powerful remote servers. This eliminates the need for local installation or a Windows operating system. The primary requirement for this method is a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally with download speeds of at least 50 megabits per second, to ensure a smooth, lag-free gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.